Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang laging kulang ang datong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambansa.
How can I find something that two can take without stumbling as we walk into our future's way? I'm like a broken record that you can play, repeating as if it matters, everything I wanna say. Be alright, as long as it matters, as long as you're here with me now. Forget that time, it's nothing. We touch and see, all this is fine, even as it crashes down on me. I'm looking around, there's nothing I could want more than to tell you there's no more than we've already got. Be alright, as long as it matters, as long as you're here with me now. As long as it matters.